Sometimes I don't know quite what to call a burger when I'm making something different. This one I'm kind of cramming jalapenos in it, cramming blue cheese in it, cramming other stuff in it, and then it came to me. I'm calling this the Cramburger. So I have my flat top grill set to medium-high heat. Need to get some bacon going first. And I only have the 2 left side burners on my griddle going here. After I cook this bacon, I'm gonna chop it up because that's gonna be part of something we're gonna cram into these burgers, which are smash burgers. And yes, remember, I like my bacon AFS, acceptable floppy steak. I'm gonna get my bun toasting up a bit here. Nice little toast going there, a little bit more. This is a nice thick cut bacon. I'll start cutting my bacon up right here. I'm gonna move my bacon over to the side just to stay warm. Check our bun here. That's looking good to me. Just wanna scrape a little bit of this stuff off here. So I'm putting a couple good-sized meatballs of 80/20 ground beef on here to make some smash burgers. But I'm only gonna partially smash them at first. You'll see. Just to about there, not all the way down. These are big burgers. Now I'm going to put a few jalapenos on here. Some blue cheese crumbles. And some of our bacon pieces. And now we're going to smash again. I want to try and cram everything in there. And if we decide to, we can always top the burger with more of these things. We're getting ready to flip here. Good crust. Now I know someone's wondering, why didn't you just call these stuffed burgers? Well, because when you stuff a burger, usually you put the stuff in kind of in the center. This really wasn't that. That's why I kind of had to come up with the Cramburger. I'm just cramming everything in there while smashing it. All right, these are looking good. Let's build our burger. First thing is I want to get a little bed of arugula on the bottom. Now I like arugula because it has a little bit of a peppery bite to it. It's a nice little bed for a burger. Get one of our patties on here. I'm going to put a little bit of a doctored barbecue sauce. This is just a plain barbecue sauce, about a ½ cup, mixed with a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Got some fresh cut red onions here. A little bit of a crispy bite. That's why I didn't cook them. Some pickles on here too. You know what the heck? Let's make this a double. Let's really layer this puppy. A little bit more sauce, some more red onions. And you know what I forgot when I was cooking it? Salt and pepper, so I'm gonna get a little salt and pepper on this top patty here. Just a mixture of kosher salt and cracked black pepper. A couple pickles up here. Maybe a little extra blue cheese on top too. Let's top this. There it is, the Cramburger. Went a little over the top with the second patty, but I don't care. I'm gonna enjoy this because it's time to taste. I think I'm gonna have to cut it in half just to have a decent chance for some good bites. Let's see here. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice interior on that. Cheers. That's definitely a lot of flavor crammed into this burger. Embrace the sauce face. Getting those flavors, the bacon, the jalapeno, the blue cheese embedded in the meat, fantastic. This one's definitely a face wiper. So that's the Cramburger. It's fun to do things like this, to mix up ingredients, get them in there in a different way, get those flavors really hooked up with the meat. You could do this inside in a pan, on an outdoor grill, especially in a cast iron pan. The key to stuff like this though is have fun when you're doing it. It's food, enjoy it.